obviously know what the systems are all about.
Yeah.
Why it's there. The thing with the ABS in the wet, if it's a flat enough surface, it keeps you going straight. If the surface is at an angle like that, it's going to roll. It's like you roll the ball, it's going to go down the hill. So what we obviously want to, we're trying to prove is yes, you've got to sit properly, steer where you want the car to end up going. So we get it in a situation like this. And coming through, we should, we need to be braking, hands on brake, and then if we're going straight enough, the vehicle's flat, it goes straight in those type of situations. Another thing that people end up doing wrong, one of the most things is we come to a corner and they think, oh shit, and they jump and they steer. Now my foot's flat, nothing's happening. The moment it gets to going straight, it allows us to, okay, now it can accelerate. Situation like this, too much steering. My foot's flat on the gas. It's just hang on. You hear the brakes are actually stopping the motor vehicle. So it's got pitch and roll sensors, steering angle sensors, accelerometers, all that type of shit that decides, hang on, bit of a muppet, it's not what we want. As we've seen, tar road, and you've experienced the slow gravel, getting to a situation where the guys end up thinking, okay, well, we just go from a tar road and we end up on a gravel road. Situation like this, we're going and we brake, the vehicle still ends up going straight. Right? Get to the corner, depending on the corner. Once it comes to something like this, now as it gets over there, I'm flat on the gas, nothing's happening. Come back on the tar, the system's saying, hang on, the moment it allows me to go straight, it says pitch and roll, everything's settled down, away we go. Alright. Then we get to the next scenario is where most people, their general reaction is, hang on, shit's in front of us, we hit the brakes. Next thing is we're still going to hit whatever's in front of us, let's steer to avoid it. So we come around the corner, everything's happening, we're nice and straight, flat on the gas, get to this type of thing and hey, geez, what's in front of us? So we're on the gas, steer, back into that lane, and we've made it around. Easy.
Perfect. Just one cone.
No, that was done. That was already done.
No, that was already done,
Yeah.
I got it on video actually.
Yeah, exactly. You can prove it. But it goes back to we anal about the seating position. If we try this and we got this type of thing, or like people steer like this, I can steer that way, no problem. How do I go back? Then it becomes steer too much and steer too much. And you know, it all goes wrong when we're not paying attention. So if my default seating position is like this, then I've got to get, oh shit, and by then it's too late. If my default seating position is there, I'm steer, I miss it, and I'm around and sort it, no problem. Then my body's sitting and my brain's got time to function on whatever I'm trying to hit the void or whatever, things like that. Too easy.
Thank you very much.
No worries, guys.
Thank you, buddy.